Bring us the best DIY battery backup system quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price that no other dealer can touch.
City lights flicker, the grid starts to choke, paper-thin promises wrapped up in smoke. Storm clouds roll in, hear the breakers cry. When the wheat goes silent, we don't ask why. Copper in the circuit, fire in the line, built to endure it every single time. While the world goes fragile, cracks at the seams, there's a heartbeat humming behind the scenes. When the night falls hard and the current dies, there's a force that never bends, never hides. Iron core, standing in the blackout. Iron core, when the lights go out, unbreakable power, night and day. While everything fails, it stays awake. Iron core, built to survive, 24/7, keeping hope alive. When the grid goes down, we rise once more, powered by the heart of iron core.
We use only the finest inverters, switchgear, and batteries in our DIY battery backup systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency iron core, transformer-based inverters built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. Because of its advanced toroidal transformer design, our iron core inverters offer a much longer and far safer service life. Our 10 kW model offers a massive 30,000 watt surge capacity. And all of our low-frequency inverters provide galvanic isolation to protect your appliances from the damage that can be caused by inferior high-frequency designs. These advantages are derived from a fifth-generation military-grade, high-reliability form factor. Advanced high-efficiency MPPT charge controller technology is built in, allowing you to add solar panels at a later date. Heavy-duty MOSFETs with oversized heat sinks. Wave-soldered surface mount components throughout. And most importantly, massive toroidal iron core copper wound output transformers for a much higher surge capacity.
Built from iron, driven by will. No surrender, no shutdown.